A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to do chapter 9 Mulla Nasruddin in English prose. In this chapter we are going to see two beautiful animated stories, and I will explain all the exercises which are given in the textbook. Along with the answers, I want all of you to sit with your textbook and your pencil to mark all the important blanks or objective type questions. Okay, and I want all of you to do watch these animated uh, videos that I'm going to share with you. I have shared the link of the video. Fine, so you can watch it and enjoy. So let's start. Activity 1. There are three riddles given. Riddles matlab paheli. Three riddles given which you have to read and understand and answer. Now the first one, I am a 7-letter vegetable. My first three letters are a vehicle. The next three letters are a type of luggage, and my last three letters change every year. Who am I? So the answer to this question is cab, bag, age. It is cabbage. Okay, let us see the next one. Which 11 letter word does everyone pronounce incorrectly? The answer is in the question only, and the word is incorrectly. Okay, next, everyone has met me, but nobody can lose me. I always follow you in night. I always follow you in light, but disappear in the dark. Who am I? It is shadow. Activity 2. Here are hilarious Mulla Nasruddin stories. Hilarious means very funny. उसमें से एक स्टोरी बहुत छोटी सी है पर यहाँ पर दी हुई है. हम इसे पढ़ते हैं. Once Mullah Nasruddin was lying on his bed with his eyes closed when his brother-in-law approached him. Are you asleep? The brother-in-law asked Nasruddin. Nasruddin replied, Why? What is it? The brother-in-law said, I wanted a loan of 300 rupees. I was wondering if you could lend me the money. Nasruddin replied, Oh, in that case, let us return to your first question. Are you asleep? This was his first question. And the answer to that is, Yes, I am asleep. So go away and do not bother me. नसरुद्दीन का जो साला था वो उसके घर आया और उसने मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन को पूछा कि क्या तुम सो रहे थे. तो नसरुद्दीन ने बोला, क्यों, क्या हो गया? तो उसने बोला कि मुझे पैसे चाहिए थे और मैं सोच रहा था कि अगर तुम मुझे 300 रुपये दे सको तो अच्छा होगा. तो मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन को पैसे नहीं देने थे, इसके लिए उसने बोला कि अच्छा, इस केस में हम पहले फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते हैं. क्या तुम सो रहे थे? तो हाँ, मैं सो रहा था और तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ और मुझे परेशान मत करो. तो मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन उसके टाइम का is considered to be the wisest and the most intelligent man, but he has different style of solving problems and answering to the people around him. फिर भी लोग उसे बहुत पसंद करते थे और उसकी बातें भी मानते थे क्योंकि वो एक निराले ही ढंग से लोगों की समस्याओं को सॉल्व करता था. In activity 2, there is a small exercise given that अगर आप मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन होते तो आप क्या आंसर देते. कोई आपसे अगर इस तरीके से पैसे मांगने आता तो आप क्या देते. तो I have shared my answer with you. I want you to think of your own answer and this is going to be fun. Let's move on to activity 3. In activity 3, I have shared a link of the story. This is a story of Mullah Nasruddin's neighbor who finds his house as a smaller one and of little space to live in with his family. And he is really troubled with this problem. So he goes to Mullah Nasruddin to solve this problem. And Mullah Nasruddin, he solves his problem in a very different way. So I have already shared the link, the YouTube link with you. I want all of you to watch the video. Activity 4. Answer the following questions. Let us now understand the questions and answers that are given in the textbook. What did Mullah's brother-in-law ask? What was Mullah's reply? मुल्ला's ब्रदर मुल्ला के भाई ने ब्रदर इन लॉ ने उससे क्या मांगा और मुल्ला ने उसका क्या जवाब दिया. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Mullah's brother-in-law asked him if he could lend him 300 rupees. In reply, Mullah said that he was asleep. मुल्ला के ब्रदर इन लॉ ने उससे 300 रुपये मांगे और मुल्ला ने उसके जवाब में कहा कि वो अभी सो रहा है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वाई वॉज मुल्लाज नेबर सैड? मुल्ला का जो नेबर था, पड़ोसी था, वो क्यों दुखी था? मुल्लाज नेबर वॉज सैड बिकॉज ही lived with his big family in a small house. There was very little space to move around. मुल्ला का जो नेबर था वो इसलिए दुखी था क्योंकि वो एक बड़ी फैमिली के साथ में एक छोटे से घर में रहता था और वो उस घर में बहुत थोड़ी सी स्पेस थी इधर उधर घूमने के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट वाज मुल्लाज एडवाइस टू हिज नेबर? मुल्ला ने अपने नेबर को क्या सुझाव दिया? मुल्ला एडवाइज हिज नेबर टू टेक इन चिकन्स एंड हिज डोंकी एंड हिज गोट इनसाइड द हाउस. मुल्ला ने अपने नेबर को कहा, सजेस्ट किया कि वो उसके घर में जो बाहर चिकन्स, जो मुर्गियाँ रखी हैं, और जो डोंकी है और जो गोट है, उन तीनों को भी अपने घर के अंदर ले जाए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हाउ डिड मुल्ला सॉल्व हिज नेबर्स प्रॉब्लम? मुल्ला ने अपने नेबर का प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व किया? व्हेन द नेबर टुक ऑल द एनिमल्स इनसाइड द हाउस, देयर वाज नो स्पेस लेफ्ट एट ऑल. देन मुल्ला आस्क्ड हिम टू take them back outside the house. The neighbor did so. Now there was lots of space for all the family. तो मुल्ला ने जो सुझाव दिया था उसके बाद में नेबर ने क्या किया, सारे एनिमल्स को घर के अंदर ले गया. ले जाने के बाद में वहाँ घर के अंदर तो बिल्कुल भी जगह नहीं रही. देन फिर उसके बाद में मुल्ला ने उसको बोला कि ठीक है, अब सारे एनिमल्स तुम घर के बाहर ले आओ. तो उसके नेबर ने वैसे ही किया और उसके बाद उसके घर में बहुत सारी स्पेस हो गई. ओके, सो दीज वर द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स which is given in your textbook. I want all of you to write both in textbook as well as in your notebook in good handwriting. In activity 5, here is a phrase. The ring of the emperor, we can also write as the emperor's ring. Now make some phrases. The idea of Birbal will become Birbal's idea. You have to use apostrophe S. Okay. The advice of the courtier. So the courtier's advice. The palace of the king. The king's palace. The den of the lion will become the lion's den. Okay, so this exercise you have to do in your textbook only. Activity 6. Listen and repeat the following pairs after your teacher. So you have to read aloud behind me. Pen, pain. Wet, wait. Fell, fail. Sell, sail. Tell, tail. Pull, pool. Call, cool. bed, bad, mop, mope, best, beast, ship, sheep, live, leave. So these words are different from each other, but we tend to get confused with each one of them. Okay, so I want all of you to read this aloud and see how they are different. Pan is short in pronounce, whereas pain is little lengthy. A stretch is given on A. Okay, similarly, other words are different from each other. Please go through it and let me know how did you find it. Activity 7 is also a do it yourself activity. However, you will read these phrases behind me. So let's start. Thunder booms, a sparrow chirps, a plate clatters, a cock crows, a phone rings, a snake hisses, a horn blows, a monkey chatters, a lion roars, a mouse squeaks, a donkey brays, a bear growls, a sheep bleats, an owl hoots, a dog barks, a cow moos, a cat mews, an elephant trumpets, a horse neighs. So these are the sounds of various objects, animals, birds which you need to learn. Activity 8. Who am I? Look at the pictures and read the clues. Then complete the crossword puzzle. The first clue is done for you. I give wool. So the answer is sheep. Next, let us do a different one. Third one, I give you milk. So in third one the answer is cow. And so you have to finish the crossword puzzle. Activity 9. Let's cover your book. There is a very easy way of how to cover your book. This is again a do it yourself activity. Here you have to cover your book using these instructions which are given in your textbook. So do it and enjoy it. Okay, and in activity 10, find a funny story about Mullah or Birbal or Tenali Raman. Tell story to the class. Now I don't want you to tell any story to me or to the class, but I want you to read such stories and learn how do they solve their problems and how can you solve your friends' problems or your own problems or your parents' problems. Okay, so I want all of you to enjoy this week by reading such lovely stories of Tenali Rama or Birbal, Akbar and Birbal or Mullah Nasruddin. I hope you will enjoy this chapter and the stories that I am sharing with you. Hope to see you next week soon. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video and enjoyed the movies that I have shared, the link I have shared with you. If you still have any doubt or queries there, you can ask me in the comment section. I want all of you to please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So whatever videos are upcoming, you will get a notification for the same in your email as well as on your mobile. So please do it, subscribe it and enjoy. Thank you once again.